everyone. So welcome back. So I was getting a lot of requests for showing exercise program on knee pain, especially due to osteoarthritis. So let's just understand a little bit about osteoarthritis, okay? So basically it is a degenerative disorder mainly affecting the weight bearing joints, knee or the hip. Okay, in Indian population mainly women are more prone to develop it, right? The causes could be hereditary, the causes could be unknown, the causes could be traumatic. Okay, so there are many reasons why osteoarthritis develops. Okay, and for women, especially perimenopausal women or postmenopause, right, the process of wear and tear of the articular cartilage accelerates. Okay, that is when you see osteoarthritis developing. Okay, now if you have acute osteoarthritis, right, then the advice would be mainly to do rest, ice, right, to reduce the swelling, to reduce the inflammation. Okay, but if it has been there for years, okay, if you are having chronic pain due to osteoarthritis, then how do you manage that, right? Then those simple exercises of gentle isometrics, or just sitting and doing leg extensions, moving your leg up and down, these are not going to work for you, right? If you're having chronic pain, the reason is because when you're doing exercises in a lying down position or in a sitting position mainly, right, what happens is you are just doing exercises against gravity. Okay, so the resistance comes from gravity. However, when you are looking at standing position, because knee is a weight bearing joint, right, so the entire mechanics change, right? The amount of work that is required by your muscles to do in a standing position is way higher than what it would be in a lying or a sitting position, because in standing it has to counter the gravity as well as your body weight. Okay, so a main advice for osteoarthritic patients usually that surgeons give or even physiotherapists tell is weight management. Now the problem with weight management is, to reduce your weight you need to do physical activity, but if you have pain you won't do physical activity, right? And it's a vicious circle, right? So physical activity, graded gentle exercises are very helpful, and weight bearing exercises are essential, okay, in osteoarthritis, so that your muscle develops that much strength that it can hold your body weight in a standing position. So today's session we are going to do couple exercises, weight bearing exercises for osteoarthritis knee pain. Okay, chronic pain, if you have acute pain where you're seeing redness, warmth and swelling, then don't do these exercises. But if it's a chronic pain where your pain on a pain scale you would rate it somewhere around 4 to 5 or lesser than 5, right, then these exercises are advisable for you. Okay, so let's get started. So first exercise which we're going to do is, mainly you need a wall, okay, or a stable surface. Okay, so for the wall exercises, the first one is going to be wall squats. Okay, so squats definitely are something which engage your quads and your glutes. Okay, so quads are your front thigh muscles, glutes are your buttock muscles. Okay, these are the ones whose efficiency we have to improve in osteoarthritis knee pain. Okay, so you need to stand all the way back. Okay, your entire back being supported by the wall. Now you want to take your feet forward, okay, and you want to keep them shoulder width apart. Okay, your entire back till the buttock should be resting at the wall throughout the exercise. Okay, now you need to gently go down a bit. Okay, hold there for around 5 seconds and then gently come up. Now a common problem that happens with the exercises, people go down nicely, when coming up this is what they do. Okay, the back lifts off the cupboard, right? Now the issue with this is, that is when your lower back is working, your glutes aren't working. Okay, so you want to be nice and straight here. Okay, go down till the range that you don't feel any pain. Okay, if you start feeling pain you need to stop at this range. Okay, hold there for 5 counts and then push yourself back up. When you're pushing back yourself, you need to feel the work happening at the glutes. Okay, now the second exercise is very simple. You're going to again stand facing the wall this time. You can use your hands to support yourself. Okay, and basically you want to go up on your toes. Okay, Now when you're doing this, you need to make sure that you don't lean forward. So usually what happens is when you go on your toes, you tend to lean forward. So it has to be nice and relaxed, straight up and going down. Okay. No holds in this one are required. 2 exercises, very nice, very easy, very simple. Okay. Now a couple stretches are also important. Okay. So basically to stretch your hamstrings, you need a chair. Okay. You need to put your foot on the chair and just lean forward. You need to get a good stretch over here. Okay. Hold there for somewhere around 15 to 30 counts. Okay. And then relax. Fair enough. So put your leg up there. If you already feel the stretch, it's good. If you don't, you can lean forward a little. Okay. And you should start getting the stretch here. Okay. Nice. Now, the fourth stretch that you want to do is calf stretch. Okay. So for that, you want to put your foot, one foot ahead, one foot behind. Okay. You want to rest your arms over here and you want to lean forward. Make sure that this leg doesn't come off. Okay. The heel doesn't come off. It's right there. Hold there for 10 to 15 counts and come back. Okay. Now another exercise which is very important for knee pain patients and osteoarthritis is because the joint cartilage wear and tears, right? So the joint proprioception, okay, basically the mechanics to sense where your joint is in the body gets defined. Okay. So the problem with that is that you need to improve your joint proprioception. That is, you want to improve the connection between your joint and your mind. Okay. So for that, balance is very important, right? So you can do a very simple exercise. Just stand with your feet together. Okay. Both your feet together, nice and good. Okay. And you just need to stand there. Okay. Now, if this position is difficult for you, okay, you can take some support. Fair enough. What we are looking at is no excessive sway. Okay. So we stand over there, 30 seconds. Okay. If you feel this is easy for you, the next progression would be to close your eyes and stand. And as soon as you close your eyes, you would feel some amount of swaying that is happening. A little swaying is normal, but if it is excessive, you need to have something where you can grab and hold. Okay. So you can take some support and do the exercise so that the swaying is reduced and your knee joint is getting sending proper signals to your brain. Okay. So hopefully these exercises will help you to alleviate your chronic knee pain from osteoarthritis.